Today we can study one chapter from political science. Chapter 2, what is democracy, why democracy? We all are very much interested to know about the political situations of our country. What the different politicians says, the parties' strategical positions, about the election results like that. When I was small, we used to sit in front of the radio to listen to the election results till the midnight. That time it was the ballot paper counting, not like today's EVMs counting. So it takes long time for to complete the votings. If I ask a question to you about what is democracy, all will with one breath say democracy is of the people, by the people and for the people. From years and years we are studied these definitions. This chapter we are going to study this definition in little more elaborate way. What is democracy? A simple definition says that democracy is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people. So the wordings of this definition we have to study in detail, each and every words. First word says about rulers. What type of rulers we should have? From what basis? Their criminal background, their economical status, all these are important in a democratical country. Second one, the election process. What is the way the election conducted? Whether it is in a proper democratical way or by using the malpractices and fraud and different practices inside. So to make a democracy, election is the backbone. It should be conducted in a proper way. Next one is the rulers and the voters. What about the voters? Whether all the citizens are able to give the votes or not. Or some people, their age. All these are very much important in a democratical country. Voters. The last one, the decision of the government. What type of decision should come from a government? Whether it should be applicable to all the people, it should look after the welfare of the people or not. So these four wordings are very much important in the definition of democracy. Now let us take the case of Pakistan. In 1999, what happened in Pakistan? General Pervez Musharraf, he was the military chief of Pakistan during that time period. With the help of the military, he captured the power in Pakistan by overthrowing the democratically elected government. He himself declared as the chief executive, then he declared himself as the president of Pakistan. In 2002, he held a referendum to the Pakistan wherever he asked the people whether you are happy with me or not, agree to me or not. He himself gave the answer for all the voters. Yes, we are agreeing to you. The Pakistani media, the Human Rights Commission, everyone opposed him because he was not conducted the referendum in a proper way. There were too much of malpractices and fraud entered into that referendum. In 2002 August, he amended the constitution. Amended the constitution means made some changes in the constitutions. Wherever he became more powerful in that, he was able to dismiss the elected central and the provincial assemblies. Together with that, he appointed a military personnels, security personnels, National Security Council to check the movement of the provincial and the national ministers and their assemblies. He was able to dismiss these assemblies without any question. So are you thinking that it was a proper way of democracy which was held in Pakistan during the time of General Pervez Musharraf? This type of democracies you are able to see in many parts of the world. which you are able to read from the first chapter. Why I am not taking this first chapter? Because normally the board skip the first chapter. So we have to read the first chapter wherever various examples are given, wherever democratical elections and non-democratical elections are going on in the world, in different parts of the countries. So in Pakistan in 1999, such an example happened, wherever the election held, referendum held, but Pervez Musharraf, he was not ready to accept the will of the people. So definitions are given for democracy. Many of the countries we say they follow the democracy, but in actual sense, actual meaning, very few countries we are able to see as the democracy is following. Next day we will continue this topic.